Hello everyone, I am Rakhi and I am back with the another question of this chapter, that means chapter number 1, some basic concepts of chemistry, class 11. In this video, we will be discussing the question number 5th of this chapter. So now, have a look on the question. Calculate the mass of sodium acetate required to make 500 ml of 0.375 molar aqueous solution. Molar mass of sodium acetate is 82.025 grams per mole. So we need to calculate the mass of sodium acetate. Fine. So let's begin with the solution of this question. क्या कह सकते हैं हम? कुछ आइडिया? Just give me some idea about this question. आपको तो अभी तक सॉल्व कर देना चाहिए था. I'm just waiting for your response. Just tell me कि भाई क्या आंसर होगा इसका. चलो कोई नहीं. Let me solve this question for you all. So देखिए क्या दिया हुआ है. 0.375 molar aqueous solution दिया हुआ है हमें. Which means, so 0.375 molar aqueous solution means 1000 ml of solution contains sodium acetate is equals to 0.375 mole. ठीक है? Therefore, we can say that 500 ml of solution contains sodium acetate is equals to 0.375 divided by 2 mole. Am I correct? ये समझ में आ गया. जब 1000 ml में मेरे पास 0.375 मोल है तो 500 ml ऑफ सॉल्यूशन में कितने मोल होंगे सोडियम एसिटेट के? इट इज 0.375 divided by 2 moles. ठीक है. We know the molar mass of given क्या है हमें? Molar mass of sodium acetate. So molar mass of sodium acetate में दिया वो कितना है? 82.0245 ग्राम पर मोल. ये हमें दिया हुआ है. ठीक है. Now we need to calculate the mass of sodium acetate required. So mass of sodium acetate required is equals to 0.375 divided by 2 mole multiplied by 82.0245 gram per mole. ये मोल से मोल कैंसिल हो तो जब इसको आप कैलकुलेट करेंगे यू विल बी गेट आंसर 15.380 grams. So mass of sodium acetate required to make 500 ml of 0.375 molar aqueous solution is 15.380 grams. I hope the solution regarding this question is clear to you. Still, if you are having any doubt regarding the solution of this question, then please let me know your doubts. Do write your doubts in the space given below and do watch the next video for learning about the next question of this chapter. It's me, Rakhi, saying you now goodbye.